Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Vedaant's World, and today we are going to make a tent. In my father's channel you might have seen some tents, but I have not made, so I'm making with my father.
Okay, so we're gonna make some wonderful tents.
And this is easy actually.
Yeah, they're super easy.
Actually I can just start making.
Okay, so let's start.
Can I just start making straight away?
I'm gonna make the... Yes. Okay, by the way, Mr. Vedant or Master Vedant is using the pen. He's so confident now. But still be careful. Avoid making any mistakes.
I spilled. I spilled a little.
It's okay. We'll cover it with the color. Okay. You must be thinking, what is this upside down V? Okay. But you will see now what we're gonna make. This is done. And we're gonna make a straight line here. Line, line. This time I'm gonna use a scale. So this will come like this. Okay. And this has to come straight like this, and there will be a straight line connecting all of them. Make a curve and connect like this. Okay, and then
I'm not big enough to make a pen.
a small straight line this side also.
Did you know?
Yeah, I know.
I'm now big enough to make this pen.
And let's try to make a parallel of this. And this has to go to the
I'll make some lines here. See what I'm making? I've already made the shape.
Wow.
I'm still faster than you, though I'm in pen.
You are amazing. That's what I feel. Okay, so this one has to come.
See?
I'm still working on the shape. Okay, more or less it's done. There's a small window here.
I'm connecting this to tape. See? See?
Yeah, good idea. Very good idea. So that's a Velcro actually. So that it does not fall off. There's a net so the mosquitoes don't go inside. Okay, so I'm gonna make a net.
See?
You are way faster.
Now I'll make some buttons where they can close this. See?
Yep.
also little lines. What's holding the tent?
These are 4 calls. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm not made.
Actually, 1, 2. We'll have to make here also. So it's like stuck in the ground. You dig in the ground, 4 sides. That's why it is little this type of pressure. So it has to tie up like this.
See my lockers.
Yeah, these are supposed to be a little more bigger. It's fine. Okay, you already made the door. Wow. There has to be a zipper.
Not zipper, dots. So they can like push it and then leave it connected.
Those touch buttons. Those are called touch buttons.
I made touch buttons instead of a zipper. Zippers are now old school. Get the new school.
It has to come and connect here.
Let us make 2 lines here and 2 lines here. Here.
Inside. Okay, and basically it gives the idea that it can shake with Vedaant or something.
See,
Yeah, perfect.
I'm done with my tent already.
Interesting. You were faster than me. I'm also done, but you were faster than me. Did I miss anything?
Wait. Why can't I make the loop just a little thick?
In fact, you can put a flag there if you want. Good idea. How does it work? Okay, so I think our tent is done.
No, wait, I'm not done.
Okay, you wanna make a flag?
Which symbol? India?
Yeah, good idea.
Because we live in India. See,
Yeah, I
I'm
don't
leaving more gap in the middle so I can make the chakra.
I don't have much space on top to make the flag. It looks beautiful. Can I make a smaller one here? I don't have much space on top. I think the flag should be big. What's that? Is that me? Is that Vedaant?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna make. Okay, I will also make a flag. It's a good idea.
See, this is like if you pull something and then leave it, it will release paper. So your time done. See, like there is this string. There is one string that you have to pull go inside the house and there is one string. You'll pull that string and these will come out.
Wow.
So much creativity. Like this, you use it in birthday parties.
Like your style. I love it. I'm absolutely copying you. This one.
Oh yeah, I forgot that wavy effect. Yeah, that's to balance the flag. So I'm adding a little more balance.
I love it. I think this one.
I add a little balance here also. Now should we start coloring? I add a little more. I planned something else, but I add a little more.
Yeah, I think it's looking nice. Beautiful. Okay, so let's decide the colors we're gonna
Oh, what should... I will remove
let me
the
try
colors
it.
in once.
do. Okay, which color do you want?
I want red.
Take the red. Your tent is red color?
Yep.
My tent, then I will make it blue color. What do you say?
You wanted red?
No, we'll make different colors. I'm good with this.
Because here I'm going to make blue. This part.
Oh.
And this inner part will be black.
No, I'm gonna make 3 shades of blue.
Yeah, in the last video I made you water 3 shades of blue.
I'm learning from you. This is darker and this is a little lighter, and I'm gonna make this.
Can I have this blue?
You can
I'll
take
just
it.
finish this blue off so I don't keep on, like, I don't ask you when you're doing coloring with this blue.
No, I think I will not use that blue.
No, but I still did it. If you're using, you can use now because I will not ask. And this inner part also blue. And wait. Blue lines also. And see?
Nice.
Aren't you copying my this thing that I made?
I am copying a lot of things from you.
But why?
Because I love you and I love your drawing also. We need to color the flag also properly.
Yeah, full Indian. Oh yeah, I forgot I have to add little blues here. Then wherever I'm putting blue, I will leave mark. See, wherever I'm coloring extra blue, I'll just put these marks. Is that a good idea?
Yeah.
See what I have done.
Interesting.
I like yours also, but that's really full blue.
Yeah, actually this color I should have selected different shade. That's okay.
I did a little different colors. Maybe someone is having a party inside. Maybe that's why they released this.
Yeah.
There are 4 shades of green.
Yeah, we've got a lot of green actually. In fact, we could try green.
Don't see mine.
No, Peter. Actually, yours is looking very nice.
No, I need that color now for the chakra. Till then I'll do orange.
Blue?
Yeah, I need it for this chakra. Orange comes on top. If you didn't know.
Yeah, I know.
Orange comes on top. Next comes green comes on bottom. And the chakra will come blue, and there's no color that where the chakra spot is, that will be white. Like, you see, like this. Now that will not be able to see that much. This color. Black. I'm just going black. I want to make. Some kind of purple. And that inner black. And the support.
Where is the darkest brown? The rope comes like this.
Now. And I need.
Okay.
Color this.
Which green you took? This one?
No. This one.
That's a perfect green.
I'm thinking, what color should I make this? I don't want to make this blue. What should I? Okay, I'll make it blue because I did it already.
That's blue,
I'm
right?
done almost.
This is blue, right?
Nope, that's purple.
Come on, I always get confused.
That's blue.
And where is my orange? That's orange.
When I take this color out, I just wonder. Like this black is so powerful, see what it did.
Right.
This black is so powerful.
Okay, I think.
I'm done.
Yeah, even I think I'm done. Almost. Give more demarcation between these two. But it is very nice.
Wait. This will be very funny.
Where did the blue go? Blue, right? Blue, right? side of this I'm making a little
What's
darker.
the spelling of this? No one here. O-N-E or W-O-N? O-N-E.
No, one O-N. One, yeah, O-N-E.
Here is it?
H-E-R-E.
No one here.
H-E-R-E.
I get confused with both of the here's every time.
I will write something else then. Camping. What do you say?
What? It's your wish.
I will write camping. C-A-M-P-I-N-G. Or outdoor camping.
Done. See what I made. No one here.
I'm gonna make double. I think I-N-G. Okay, it will work. Oops, what happened to G? Is that okay?
Yeah, that's how you write G.
Oh, it looks funny.
No, that's how you write G. He's pointing like no one's here.
One, two, done.
Where should we stand?
Perfect.
No one here.
Okay, let's close this up. Yeah, I think I did something wrong with the G. No, it's okay, it's funny.
It's okay. I also sometimes get confused.
I love it. Beautiful, beautiful, amazing. This is amazing. And this also. And mine is straightforward, simple.
And G.
And the G. Just ignore the G.
So guys, hope you like this video. If you like it, hit that like button, press that subscribe button and punch that.
Okay, bye.
Boy!
Bye.
These drawings come out awesome.
Yeah. Okay, bye bye. Love you.